I have no idea where the hell we are. It's pretty neat. There you go. And some nice clouds building. Yep. There's some freaky people. Oh my god. One more quick look. And here we are at the opposite side of the Vermilion Cliffs, so I don't know what these are. They're pretty nice. Right next to the road. Here's the road. The beefies. That's the gas where the Colorado flows through right there. And there and there. There's those cliffs on the other side. Doink. And like that. Well, we have shown up at Lake Powell, and I don't know where the heck we are, as usual. And, oh, the camera charged up nice. That's good. Anyways, this is a pretty cool spot here. Jacob seems to be pretty thrilled. And there he is, heading for the water, of course, to check out where his pole's going to be dropped. Maybe I should rephrase that. And we got ourselves a nice private little inlet of water. It goes way back there. And it just cruises right past where we are. We have to do about a 20-yard hike down to the water. And it looks like nobody's going to bother us over here. And the closest people, I think they're right over here somewhere. Is that them? Alright, no more waiting. Yes, that's them. But the breeze is picking up. The water looks inviting. Like super inviting. Especially right in here. Most beautiful.
Mom, quads don't even matter here.
Anyways, here we are.
Barely even here.
And it is most pleasant. Little quad zones where people are riding their bikes around, and Jacob's thrilled because there's chicks with bathing suits.
Lots of chicks.
On their quads. On all fours. Here we are at our campsite over at Lake Powell. Cruising down. There's Karen and Jacob. Going down the hill. Mr. Bill, help me up the hill. A little off-roading. Whoa. Baby. Ugh. Ugh. Uh-huh. Be very careful with the camera. Ugh. Wasn't that special?
I'm going to do a double backflip.
He did a double backflip off that. Just kidding.
I got it on film. Come watch it. Double?
Many as you can.
Double.
Was that a noseful?
What's that?
Was that a noseful?
Oh no.
Nose at all.
I needed to be a little higher.
Okay, you want to go jump and I'll take your picture?
What's that?
And just relax as you go off so that you don't have your legs go behind you. It's not that far. Ready?
Ready.
Go.
It's on.
Alright, you ready?
Ready.
It's rolling. Tape's rolling. It is. Hurry up. We're burning film. You're not going to hear it from there. Go ahead. Don't cuss on film. Hurry up.
Back flap.
Ow! That was painful.
Sounded like it.
That's why I said relax so you don't overshoot.
That was cool.
Yeah. Look pretty damn good from here.
Oh, where did it go? Ah, there.
We'll write you a note. Don't make me come throw you off.
Yeah. That's a mean cliff. See a tiny little boat. Anyways, I wanted to see some big clouds. Kind of off into nothingness over that direction. just turned super cool. It looks like we might have some clouds. We got rained on crazy last night. Today being Saturday. Got some clouds building. Got some rays. Those are some real clouds over there. That's the Grand Canyon area where we came from. Clouds. You might like to see some close-ups. I like clouds. So fluffy. Make it bigger and bigger.
Grab my down.
It's strapped, right?
Yeah. Oh, is it? It's strapped?
It looks like it.
I'll get
Is
it.
that it right there?
Yeah.
Should be some lightning any minute. Boink.
Smells like wet, moist ground. I don't know if that's ozone. It just smells like rain.
Any second now. Come on, baby. Not gonna do it for me. Oh, those jet skis. Gotta love those guys.
Was it on just then?
Oh yeah. We're getting a free show. Lightning's just going off. Settle back and get hit. Man, let's see some good stuff.
See, the wind has changed direction.
Should be a big fatty bolt coming right down here. There we are. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's traveling. It's coming over us, and it's gonna get nasty. That's a big rolling front, right? Right. Whoa, doctor! Right above us.
Cold water. Okay, this fashion is clean.
What happened?
Video bag fell out of the back of the truck.
Cool. We'll get to see the quad runner. Oh, son of a bitch! God, that scared the piss out of me. God damn it. Let's get out of here. The lightning's really coming down close right here, you guys. Let's get out of here. Yep, I agree. I agree.
Hold on.
Get here, get. Okay, here we are. We're in the car now. And every once in a while, you'll get a view of what's going on outside. We pushed out and we got in the car. It was right over our heads, and lightning passed right between our. We got scared. That's why. So now we be filming out the front window of the car, and we're really sorry that we can't just be outside filming anymore. But it was too much. We turned off the fan. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bright out. And there's the sunset. Yeah, it's a little bit dark over here. But every once in a while it gets real bright. Here comes the hail.
There's the hail.
I was actually worried about a tornado because these cells looked so unstable.
Yeah.
It didn't look nice at all.
It looked quite tornado-ish.
It looked quite tornado-ish.
You're definitely right on
Turn the
that.
fan on.
Let's review our video there, Tiger.